Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here for Flatware Creations. I am showing you what just came out of the tumbler. 34. These will soon be fork hooks. This right here will get bent, and then you put the screws through this. Hello, Gus. Hello, Gus. He needs his camera time. So, 34 of these guys. I'm in a marathon to get as much done as I can in the next, well, today's my last day of being able to work. So I have a lot of work to do. Hopefully I'll be able to get another video in, and I will see you guys later with what comes out next. Alright, have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I will get back to you. Gus, what's going on?